Fangio with Around the Table, and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make low-fat dark chocolate raspberry fondue. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm ready to start my yummy fondue, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn my heat on until it's about medium, and I've got a heavy bottom saucepan here, and I'm just going to add to my saucepan fat-free half and half, and that's what's going to help my fondue be low fat. To that, I'm going to add some raspberry jam, and this is just about 2 tablespoons of raspberry jam, and I'm just going to add it to the milk, and I'm just going to heat that until it starts to simmer. And so when the milk mixture starts to steam, you want to turn your heat off, add just a little bit of vanilla for a little bit more flavor, and then you're going to add your chopped chocolate. You can use chocolate that's been chopped up really well, or you can use chocolate chips, whichever one you prefer. But to make this really heart healthy, we're using dark chocolate. And then you just stir the mixture until it all comes together and it becomes this thick, rich chocolate fondue. And again, this is Lori Fangio, and today we've made low-fat dark chocolate raspberry fondue that's absolutely decadent. Remember to take the time to make some moments around your kitchen table.